Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you some tips and tricks of Bing AI image generator. Now to access the image generator you must have a Microsoft account, and after that you can access it and begin your image generation journey. Now the first thing that you want to know is that there are two modes. First mode is called the boost mode, while the other mode is called the lazy mode. Boost mode uses your boost tokens right here and create images faster and also better quality, while when you run out of these boosts you will be using lazy mode, in which the image generation is a lot slower and the quality is also significantly reduced. But don't worry, you can redeem boosts by using Microsoft points, and also they are refreshed weekly by Microsoft. Now if you click on this surprise me button right here on the right side, Bing AI will give you a random prompt that you can use for image generation. Now to personalize prompts, you will have to use this technique. For example, first put in an adjective like a physical appearance or something, then you will have to type in the character you want to create, and after that put in the verb like doing something, and then put in the style of the picture, which is must. For example, I'm just going to give you an example right here. For example, slim astronaut jumping on the moon. Then, so that right here is the adjective. That right here is the character that I want to create, and this right here is a verb or what it is doing. And after that, put in a comma, and then you will have to put in the style. For example, I'm just gonna say pixel art. So they are just hit generate. So here, as you guys can see, it has given me four pictures according to my given prompt. Now I quite like this one. This one looks quite good as well. This one looks good as well, but this one I don't quite like. Now, if you don't want to personalize your prompts and you don't want to just write them out, you can also use ChatGPT for your prompt generation. So just open up Google, go straight to ChatGPT. Then we're just gonna type in here, give me a prompt for an image generation of a Mercedes Benz parked in front of a villa. You can also use other ideas right here. After that, just hit enter. After that, just copy this prompt right here. Go back to Microsoft Edge. Remove this prompt right here and just paste it right here. After that, make sure to put in a comma and put in the style of the picture that you want. For example, I'm just gonna say ultra realism. After that, just hit create again. Now these right here are some pretty good pictures by Bing AI. I quite like this one right here, as it showed the rear view of the car, and this one right here as well, as it showed three cars instead of one. So you can personalize them and make them more detailed so that you get your desired results. So that's pretty much it for the tips and tricks. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.